Well, good morning. There's been a while since I've been taking some trades in this account. So last time was end of February here. So um, I avoided trading last week. It was too messy. A lot of news, too much manipulation in the market. So let's see what we can do today. So the XY is pushing higher. We have Euro going lower. They are well in sync. Let's put down below here ES to check for SMTs, and we have a micro NQ. So let's just do this. So price has been pushing lower, and there's buy sell side liquidity here. So that's the idea more or less. 10,000. So this has been filled. Let's do a quick 10k scalp. Reaching sell side liquidity below. See if we can do that. So a 30 candle here, unless this wants to respond higher. Just see. So we have sell side liquidity there. This is a breaker. So came down, touched the point of the breaker, and is now stalling here. Furthermore, there's a huge Friday decline. So they took buy side liquidity here. Just remove the executions first. Okay. So buy side was tagged. So it's a sell buy as a sell side model, and but after 8:30 it seems to want to push higher to this new week opening gaps. So let's reverse the trade. I think they have tagged it already. So there's this 8:50, 9 o'clock, 8:30 candle. Thought it was a Judas to drive price lower. Came here, tagged this one, did not close below, and in ES what we have more or less the same behavior. And with the XY pushing higher, it's not a very high probability move. Actually, I forgot where we were in the balance, so let me just check. 1736. Okay, 1736. So that we can calculate the benefits after this session. So 1736 is more or less where we are here. So we are recovering. Account balance is negative. Let's put this to break even. So it's now inside the new week opening gap. Let's push it a little bit higher and exit when it touches that for a quick easy 11k profit. And let's put this on a 5-minute. So 1 2 3 4, this candle closed above, so might have a willingness to push at least to the middle of this order block. But there's a swing here that needs to be compensated, and there's this here. So this is on a 5-minute basis, so meaning that if we consider the drop from here till there, we are now at equilibrium. Which may cause price to push lower. Yeah, which is what it's doing right now. So let's see. Let's see if they want to take the sell side after all, while DXY pushes a little bit higher. Everything is dropping. Euro, GBP. So ES is the swing. They are filling this gap on ES. They weren't able to come above, at least touch this fair value gap high. And here what we have is consequent encroachment of this wick, rejecting. So let's push it a little bit lower and see if this has the strength to push it even lower, or they just want to come and fill this. There's a midnight New York midnight New York open here, so actually 2, so this is more or less resistance, but I love the 15-second chart because it's very clear. Yeah, I think this wants to go higher. See, so push it all the way there. There's this volume imbalance here, and then this is now a 15-minute, and on a 15-minute basis, if we count the top and the bottom, equilibrium is here, so they need to come above this wick and tag the 984 level, 1784. Let's put 83 3/4. So we are already pushing higher, so let's buy as we go up, not as we go down. Sell something here just to balance the equity. Let's put the stop below this new week opening gap, but below this order block. This is a high resistant liquidity run because price has been driving lower and it's like stalling here. It's not a quick movement up, so it might take some time to reach that level. So this is a 10-minute candle, so in the next 10 minutes most probably, unless, well, we took some profits. We are 76, 78, so now let me push it. Stop goes below this order block. This is a 15-second chart. Let's do it again. Now I'm at break even and pushing 23k above. Let's take something off there, here at this wick. Let's push it all the way to the consequent encroachment of this CB. So we are 10,000 in profit. Let's put something in the bag. Securing. So we are account balance is similar to what we started now, plus 1000k. Okay, so let's see. And so let's remove this, too confusing. There's a consequent encroachment here, which is the target, final target. 15-second chart again. Now what I want to do is see this come lower. I'll buy again here. And want to see a push above. Now 10-second chart. We're buying now. What's going on with trading view? It's too slow. Okay, so we took that profit there at this wick, and then we have 17,000 above. I'll take this off. 15-second chart. So 9.15 at 25. Normally there is a movement lower. So let's see if we are not tagged with that movement lower at 9.25, which is 9.18 is also, so where we are 10k. So let's do a very small, just for the sake of seeing if has the intention to go above this level or not, which was our initial plan. Okay, it's moving towards it. Want to take this I and then tag the consequent encroachment. 5-second chart, taking profits. So want to seize 10k at least in profit. Don't like my stop here. Needs to be below this rebalance. There. Well, anyway, will not stress too much out of this push higher. So basically 10k made on, how much was it? Trading minutes. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 minutes. Okay, so 13 minutes. Let's remove this. So, summary. 173.6k. Now we have 183.6. So this means 10k in 13 minutes. Leave was 13 minutes. Hi guys, see you soon. So that's for it. That's it for this week. Most probably tomorrow is CPI. Watch out. I'm assuming nothing because we are at all-time highs. We might see still this tagged. There's an important level above here, which is most probably on another chart. Let me see, which is this one. Is it this one? No. they might want to tag a fib level that is relative with if you go back to the lows, COVID lows, make a fib projection, it will expand it low higher a little bit still up to these levels, almost 19,000. Okay, so taking that into consideration, that this might be the push they want to try to squeeze out of this market still, because we are, there's a leg here, there's another leg, and if you consider COVID lows, if you do this fib like this and project the targets, 19,000 comes in the radar. So I believe this might be a level of take profit lever for the long term, and price might dismantle itself once that price is tagged. So this is a fib projection based on a multiple of 3, based on this all this price move between what was it? So this was February to 2020. Yeah, this was the drop that we had in COVID that generated all this move, and then last year we got it recovered, and now we are pushing higher. So the 19,000 might be in the radar still for finishing this move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 lower. No, I'm not. I don't think so. I think we still will be heading to the 19,000 level. Most probably can be tomorrow after CPI. If you see DXY dropping heavily tomorrow, then this will be pushing the NQ higher still, at least to the 19,000 for the moment. So this is as for predictions. Take care, watch out. Very volatile market, not conducive to be heavily invested. It's better nimble than sorry. Well, keep in touch, guys. So we did 10K today, all good. So we are 18% on the year, and still a lot of time to go. What I need is a price run that drives me like this, or a candle like this one, to keep buying while it goes higher. And this account will be 1 million no soon, but I cannot risk the balance currently with such, a choppy market, up down, up down, up down. See all of this 8-hour candle, it does not move. It's making very slowly new higher highs, so it's like stalling here. Might even reverse for a market structure shift. But I believe that if that occurs, this high is still in the radar. So they tag this and then drive the market lower, most probably to these levels, and then resume on higher. See all this move without even a big retracement. If you compare this one, this retracement there, and then you would just extrapolate something like this, then could be possible. See, would not surprise me if they reach that level tomorrow or this month still, and then drive price lower and make a swing similar to this one there. It's not something that I'm not quite sure if they want to come back and tag these breakers again before touching the objective. I believe it's a long-term objective. If this is the case, that means that we are still 3% away, which is nothing for NQ, 3% away from the target. See, 3%, and then driving price lower for this amount, 12%. So that's why I'm being cautious and not spooling, the gains made from February mostly, when we started trading February, and 18% on the year. It's not bad. Okay, well, keep in touch. Bye bye, see you soon.